miss you, David.
Always in there if you want.
Let me zoom in.
See, there you go.
That's perfect. Well, they're really taking it out, though. Digging up. They're
Yeah, there's a
digging it
yellow
up.
machine behind that red brick building right there. It's doing something pretty crazy.
Yeah, that's the machine I just saw dig up the road. Oh, yeah, it's definitely going down. Wait a minute. What is that? Birds? Oh, I thought it was a locust. It might rain. Whoa. That takes falling. Oh, we're actually the first people out to see this. Oh, they're really doing it then. They're really doing it in, aren't they? They're really doing that in. Yeah, just like another minute or so. Thanks. Oh, there it goes.
You have a good camera on that iPad, bud. You're looking at what you're recording, right?
Yeah.
Dude, this is fucking cool stuff.
It's very. Bobby, come on.
Very
we're gonna
cool.
win.